Hello, Mayor Frank Scarpitti here to update you on our spring maintenance efforts. Hard to believe, but it's that time of the year again when we share what we're doing at the City of Markham to keep our roads and infrastructure in great shape. I'm proud to say that Markham's roads are still among the best in Ontario, with more than 75% of our network in a state of good repair. We're continually recognized as having one of, if not the best, road rehabilitation programs in all of Ontario. Now, we've accomplished this by financially investing in our roads, making fact-based decisions, and of course, using innovative methods. Here at the City of Markham, we lead through innovation. We've been working with a company called Visual Defense to use artificial intelligence to spot potholes so we can take action as soon as possible. Last year, we repaired 3,500 potholes, well above the provincial standard. Now, as we get ready for the summer construction season, we continue to pilot new techniques, products, and approaches to repair, preserve, and extend the life of our roads. Everything we do with the environment in mind by reducing emissions, conserving energy, and reducing fuel consumption. We're not just about the quick fix at the City of Markham. We're also preserving our roads proactively by treating the surface, sealing cracks as soon as they're spotted, preventing further damage. By being innovative, proactive, and sustainable, we are reducing the impact on the environment and cutting costs responsibly. Thank you to our Chief Administrative Officer, Andy Taylor, our Director of Operations, Morgan Jones, and of course, our incredible team at Operations for their ongoing commitment to excellence. Now, you might be wondering, what are you doing new this year? Well, with our partnership with Visual Defense, we're introducing new elements that will enable us to detect more deficiencies on our roads using their artificial intelligence technology. We'll improve our efficiency, but we'll also give you a safer ride on our roads. As we continue on in this pandemic, I encourage you to enjoy the outdoors responsibly. Please continue to physically distance, wear masks, and of course, adhere to public health protocols. Our team is working safely and effectively in every part of the City of Markham to keep our parks, trails, ponds, and open spaces clean and well maintained. Thank you for doing your part to keep Markham beautiful. Thanks to everyone, and have an enjoyable spring.